Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to clear cache on Gemini. So your Gemini might be giving you some bug issues, or you just need to clear up your space, your storage on Gemini app, and in order to do that, to get a very smooth running operation on your Gemini app. So it's very simple on how to actually clear up your cache. So the first step you just have to take is you have to open up your phone settings, and you have to search for apps. As you can see, click on apps and scroll down, search for Gemini, right, and click on that. So you can now click on storage and clear up your cache and clear up your data as well. I've actually cleared mine, so that's why I can't be able to do that now. So you just have to clear up your cache and your data for Android users. Yeah, then for iPhone users, you just have to go open up your phone settings and click on general. Then you can click on iPhone storage, click on that and search for Gemini. Then you can now offload your app because you cannot actually clear up a cache on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.